Hello guys, and you are again welcome to my channel NB Allrounder. Today I am going to show you the best and safe application to hack any Wi-Fi without root. Don't worry guys, it is safe. Go to your Google Play Store and then search for this Wi-Fi WPS tester. And then this is our application. Just go into it, and then here will be a button of install. Just tap on it and click on accept. After it has been installed, just go to your home page and click on our application. After that, if in your mobile this page didn't appear, then you can click on start. This one is my Wi-Fi. I will hack my Wi-Fi only. First of all, I will disconnect my Wi-Fi. And then I will just forget it. And then click on any Wi-Fi you want to hack. Then tap on confirm. Don't worry guys, it is safe and it will work without root. Then after that you can press on try all, or you can press on any of this custom pin. I will just press on the first one. If it is correct, it will be automatically connected with that Wi-Fi. See guys, it has shown me the result and it has automatically connected to my Wi-Fi. Just press on OK. See guys, I will show you the proof. It is connected. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hope it works for you. Thank you.